How to build an email list for marketing in 10 minutes. No matter how good your product is or how much you have to offer, it won't be of much use unless you have in front of you a ready group of people who are already interested in your stream of business. Whether you are a novice in the internet business or a pro, one thing you cannot survive without in this industry is a good mailing list. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. When I tried my hand at internet business a couple of years ago, my first product was an ebook. I tried everything in my power to make it a good product. The content was comprehensive, the banners were theme related and everything, from the text to the tables included, was done by me with precision. The next step came of marketing the product. I wrote several articles about my subject and posted them in various article directories, contacted joint venture partners and searched for affiliate programs. Even then, in the end, I did not make as much profit of it as I could have made. What went wrong? The answer is that time I did not have a mailing list as such with me. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. I did not have a group of interested people to whom I could introduce my products to, and that's where the importance of having a good mailing list comes in. Let us run through some basic yet key advantages of having a mailing list, which every internet business owner swears by. Your mailing list is your instant profit ticket, provided you have developed a good relation with them by giving them good targeted information every time. Whenever you want to launch your new product, you already have potential customers in the form of your list to which you can introduce your product and get instant sales. Also, when you regularly write to your subscribers, you develop a trust in them, which is very important because only when they trust you will they be willing to give you their hard-earned money to gain valuable information. And to maintain this trust, it is very important for us as internet business owners to provide our list with genuine and useful information. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Ask yourself the question, would you buy this product? If the answer is yes, then most probably the answer will be yes for your list too. Now let us look at some good ways of building your targeted list. There is a concept called ad swapping. It's very simple. What you do is find other e-zine producers who are promoting a similar product to yours and approach them. You strike a deal with them wherein you put their e-zine ad in your newsletter and they put your e-zine ad in theirs. That way you both get instant bulk subscribers, and that too targeted ones. In case you don't have any subscribers to start with, you can offer your product to an e-zine publisher in return for advertising your e-zine in his newsletter. One very easy way of getting targeted traffic is to promote your e-zine in e-zine directories. Just submit your e-zine in one of the e-zine directories with an impressive description of your e-zine. Another very sure way of increasing your list is by submitting articles related to your product in article directories. Remember that it is not advertising. You need to put in useful and informative extracts about your subject, form it into a good article and post it in various article directories. Over time, many people who are interested in the subject will read your article, and if the information is useful, they will click on your link in the resource box to know more about it, and that's when you can tell them to sign up to your newsletter. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. You can also create a blog about your product and place your opt-in form on it. You might need to market your blog first so as to drive traffic to it. One of the ways, which has helped me a lot in gaining a good number of subscribers, is participating in a giveaway event. All it is a group of internet marketers participate in this event. They each offer a free gift on a website, and in order for people to get the free gift, they need to join their email list. It's a very simple way by which you can gain a huge amount of opt-ins to your list. You have to keep a lookout for these events. Sign up to some good newsletters, and the owner will inform you if there is any giveaway event that you can participate in. These are just a few ways in which you can steadily increase the amount of people in your list and thereby progress in the number of sales you are making. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.